Crafting a Handmade Chess Set from Select Wood, a step-by-step guide. Our story begins in the heart of a timber yard with the careful selection of exquisite maple and walnut wood. These woods are not randomly chosen, they are destined for a noble purpose, a handmade chess set. Each chessboard starts with 2 sets of 2-inch wide strips, one cut from each wood type. The bold grains of the walnut contrast against the delicate patterns of the maple, a playful dance between light and dark. Then comes the magic of transformation. The wooden strips are meticulously glued together in alternating colors, creating a mesmerizing pattern. With precision and patience, they're then clamped and left to dry, the first step in their metamorphosis. Once the glue has cured, the panel is cut again into 2-inch wooden strips. Like a puzzle, they are rotated and reassembled, every other wooden strip flipped to reveal a striking checkered pattern, the battlefield of the game. The creation of the chess pieces holds a beauty of its own. They are either expertly turned on a lathe or carved by hand, each embodying a unique character, a silent actor in the play of the game. Whether they are kings or pawns, each piece is treated with equal reverence. The attention to detail is unwavering, the passion for the craft evident in every curve and edge. There's an art in sanding too, a rhythm that slowly unveils the ultimate smoothness. It requires a gentle touch, a dance between hand and wood that leaves the pieces and the board with a velvety finish. The final act is the application of a clear sealant. Not only does it protect the wood, but it also magnifies its natural beauty, adding a reflective sheen that makes the colors more vibrant, more alive. In the end, when you sit down to play on this handmade chess set, you're not just moving pieces on a board. You're part of a rich story, a testament to craftsmanship and passion. You're playing on a piece of art. These high-level steps are just the beginning. If you're looking for detailed plans and step-by-step instructions, we've got you covered. Dive into the world of perfect woodworking plans. With hundreds of DIY projects and thousands of woodworking plans at your fingertips, finding the perfect project has never been easier. From intricate designs to simple yet elegant creations, enhance your skills and bring your ideas to life. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of creativity and craftsmanship, check out the link in the description. Perfect Woodworking Plans is your gateway to endless possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and click the link in description below to discover a world of woodworking projects. Your next masterpiece awaits.